exoskeleton which improves the mobility of the patients with lower limb paralysis. We design and develop a model to help the exoskeleton fit into the smart home ecosystem. Our module has three major functions. The first one is the computer vision system with deep learning algorithms. We have fixed the camera on the belt to detect the environment. The image data will be processed on the Google Cloud platform. On the cloud, we have a pre-trained neural network to classify the different environmental conditions. The skeleton will choose the most appropriate control policy based on that result. And for example, on our app, we have a detection light, which is always green when people walk around. But when the camera detects the stairs, the light will turn to red, which means that the skeleton should choose the control policy to help the people climb the stairs.
The second part is the IMU system. We will put the IMU on the patient's side and shanks. So every time the patient moves their legs, both IMU will send the data to the microcontroller. The microcontroller will process those data to calculate the knee angle. Based on the knee angle, we can find out the torque that skeleton required to provide for the patient. So both the data will show on our apps. The doctor and the patient family will monitor those data in the real time.
The third function is a patient-centered speech recognition control. Basically, we interface with APIs to enable patient to send the Twitter from our device via speech recognition. By sharing the real-time status on Twitter, patient can inform their family, doctors, and friends in time in case any emergency happens. People may ask, why do we need to send Twitters? It seems like redundant. Maybe an emergency button will do the same job. Imagine that you are a patient with lower limb paralysis. What's the possibility of hanging out with friends or joining the social activities? Pretty low, right? So we're considering posting a message on Twitter. It's more like an invitation. An invitation by asking your friends or neighbor to do you a small favor to increase the communication and the relationship between each other. That's why we call it patient-centered. It not only controls patient safety, but also improve patients' emotional stability and social integration.